DFS from Control Techniques is our drives freestanding, which is a pre-engineered AC drive enclosure, perfect for any industrial application from fan and pump to more complex solutions like regen or test stands. The DFS has been designed to help accommodate all the different options that are typically brought into a drive system. No two drives in a box are the same. So we've given a broad suite of options from the enclosure style from NEMA 12 or 3R for outdoors, supply options, the M700 universal controller, as well as our new F600 easy-to-use pump drive, harmonics mitigation, regenerative braking, and a whole suite of door controls. We can take up to 450 horsepower and put it into a box that's 400 millimeters wide or just 15 inches wide. One guy can have access to all components from the front of the drive, fuses, the breaker carriage can easily be and quickly removed, and the drive actually slides fore and aft within the enclosure, making it very easy to get access to and remove or replace as needed. So safety is a hot word in today's environment, namely arc flash. So we offer the option to isolate the breaker and supply side from the low voltage drive side in the DFS. We run from 100 horsepower up to 1250 horsepower, and we keep units in stock at 2, 3, and 400 horsepower that we can turn in as little as one day. With the DFS, we've also thought about where are your wires coming in. We can support both bottom entry and top entry, as well as raise the base of the DFS to support a greater bending radius of your conductors when landing them inside the DFS. These units, which we can turn in a day for emergency uses, they need to arrive intact. We actually take the care and have designed a full wooden crate to go around the DFS so it arrives intact, ready to turn on, ready to commission. Overall, the DFS is a highly configurable drive system up to 1250 horsepower. It's very compact in nature, yet very serviceable for the worker. And best, we have a broad suite of options to meet the needs of your application, and we can deploy them faster than anybody else in the market.